How to unarchive Instagram story before 24 hours. Step by step. 2026. Want to unarchive your Instagram story before 24 hours? Here's the important truth first. On Instagram, stories stay live for 24 hours automatically. You cannot unarchive a story before 24 hours because it only goes to archive after it expires. But if you accidentally hit it, deleted it, or want to repost it quickly, here's what you can do. Case 1. Story is still within 24 hours. If your story is still active, go to your profile. Tap your profile picture. Open the active story. Tap the 3 dots. Choose Story Settings. Make sure it's not hidden from everyone. You can also tap Highlight to save it permanently. Case 2, you deleted the story before 24 hours. Good news, you may still recover it. Go to Profile, tap 3 lines top right, go to Settings and Privacy, tap Recently Deleted, select your deleted story, then tap Restore. Stories stay in Recently Deleted for up to 30 days. Case 3, story already archived after 24 hours. If the 24 hours are over, go to Profile, tap 3 lines top right, tap Archive, open the story, then tap Share to post it again. Quick summary. You cannot unarchive before 24 hours because stories only archive after expiring. But you can restore from recently deleted,